Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and today I know it's time to get back on the Monday grind. All you got to do is grind hard, and it'll be over with soon. All right, you all, I got a few watch faces for you all to check out by SMZ, so let's get this day started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you into Hux World, and today we got a few watch faces to help you through your Monday grind. They're going to be by a developer that goes by the name of SMZ, and he got down on all three of the watch faces we're about to review today. Now the name of this watch face is called Monster Boss. Right now in the always on mode, it has a good look. It's going to give you all the important information you need for the Gears 2 and the Gears 3. Once the watch face is on, definitely you have a good look. Up at the top you're going to get the name of the watch face. I kind of like how that is placed in, and you get your date down at the bottom from that, and you also get your day. You get info on your heart rate, info on your floors climb. In the center you'll get a nice big bold digital time, and at the bottom of that you will get battery info and your step status completed right there, and you also get info on miles walked around and your calories burned. Now if you need to send a text message, you can just tap right there, single tap. Same thing for making a phone call, quick and easy. And what I like about this watch face most of all, if I double tap right here, I can make it disappear. All my step status info I can make disappear. You got to tap on it precisely. There you go, voila, and it's gone. You want it to come back, just double tap in the same spot and it'll bring it right back. And again, you can customize the color, give you 30 in all. I'm thinking the developer gave a lot to this watch face, and I'm thinking he did an excellent job on it. What do you think though? Because at the end of the day, it's what matters to you. See if we can get a couple more here so you can see the difference in the colors. I'm liking it. There go a pink one for you. All right, you all, let's go on and check out watch face number two. Now, number two is Super Boss. Now, the name of this one is called Santa Clara. Very nice looking watch face. It's a 12/24-hour watch face at that. Now, in always on mode, again, it looks just as good. You're going to get all your info that you need to see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, here's where it gets very unique and creative, right? Up at the top, you have your month, you have your date and your day. You come down, you get a nice big bold digital time, and in the corner you get your miles walked around, your step info, floors climbed, your heart rate, all the information you need for your step status, right? Now, check this out. If I want to turn that on to get my information, single tap, very different and very nice. And if you don't want those on, then you can cut that off and leave it like that. Or if you just want one on, your step info, you can. I'm telling you, the developer got down on this one. I'm going to cut them on because you can also change the color to 24 different colors of this watch face. I'm telling you, SMZ got down on this one. SMZ, continue to do your thing, my friend, because I'm telling you, you offer a lot. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Let's go on and check out watch face number three. Watch face number three. Now this one is nice. I'm very impressed by what SMZ brought to the table with all three of these watch faces, especially this one. So I'm gonna give them 2 thumbs up, people. 2 thumbs up. Now the name of the watch face again is called Rhythmic. In the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look. Pretty much going to give you the same information as you would get when the watch face is on, kind of, sort of, and you'll see in a second. And what I like about it, you get a nice big bold digital date, your day, and your month. Very nice. And in this box here, it lets you know that you can get your information for your heart rate, calories burned, your floors climb, also your step information. Now you come down to the bottom, you get a nice big bold digital time, and this is going to be your battery information. Now he also gives you some shortcuts, so if you need to go in and play your music, single tap and you can go into it. Same thing with your weather, and you can also make a phone call, send text messages, set an alarm. Everything is right at your fingertips to make your watch more convenient. Now what I like about the watch face most of all is this. Now once you tap on it, single tap, it brings up all your step status information, calories burned, steps, heart rate, all the important things. Looks good. If you don't want it, turn it off. But if you leave it on, you can also double tap and you can change the color of the watch face. I thought this was super slick, very nice. What do you think? I'm telling you, the developer definitely got down on this one. Hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on all three of these watch faces, and what do you think? Is this definitely worth the download or not? Because in my opinion, I got to say yes on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.